Hello busy professional, welcome back. Today we will dive into Tana. It is the first video on this channel where we talk about Tana, but Paco, our co-founder, and me, we are heavily using Tana. So it's about time to dive deeper into how we use it. And there is one thing that I want to talk is Tana AI and how I can leverage this in a database. It's actually very nice. I will make it easy to understand for you to start using it in your own Tana right after the video. So let's dive in. We have here the example of a person's database. And, if you tag a person with a super tag, you can create these person tables. If you want to see another video about super tags, let me know in the comments below. But now here we used already a super tag and you get this table. And what Tana offers you, you can just click on this custom field. And there you can scroll down and see AI enhanced field. We activate this, then we get an AI icon here. So what happens when I click this icon is it will find the first name and it will paste it in here. That's something that Tana automatically recognizes by just how you named the column. And it actually works great. The only downside, as you see already, and you might have seen on a thumbnail, are these hyphens that to me are just nonsense. It's because AI is taking this as a string, and well, we don't dive into this why, but I want to dive into how to fix this very quickly. So let's delete all these again. So you see it filled it out and I can delete it. So in order to fix this, we go back to this AI enhanced field and we go for custom prompt. And now I have a field here where I can actually write my own AI prompt telling the AI what it should do when you press this button. So let's open the prompt workbench, which gives you more information. If you never use this, you can read here, but I found this very confusing. So that's why I make this video to show you an easy solution how to do this. So the first thing we want to enter here is we want to tell it what this is all about. Okay, what should it do when I hit this button? So I will ask AI the question, what is the first name of? And the only thing you need to know is this here, okay? So if you make a $sign and you write into these curly brackets, this, what it does, it picks the name of the node, okay? So Oscar Owen, for example, here, this is the name of the node. So this is what this stands for. So no matter what type of nodes you have, it will always look for the solution in front of here. Then next, we want to tell it just return the first name. As AI will understand context, it will understand what you mean by first name. So it usually uses the first name in front of it. And then we give it an example to better understand what we want. So we will say example, and there we say input, Tom Solid, for example, and what we expect as output is then Tom. And then you follow what it should do next. So it is going, from top to bottom. The AI will read this from top to bottom, and then it will go here, input, and there you enter again the $sign, name. It looks so complicated, but in fact, all you do is making a placeholder here for whatever is in front of there. Okay, so we will use input. Let's close this so we see it. And if we click the AI button for Oscar Owen, it will look for the name on front here. So input Oscar Owen and output, we leave it empty because that's what AI should do now. So what you can do, you see on top, there's Josh Miller, the CEO from ARC. So you can use existing nodes to test the prompting that you did here. So when I just search for Oscar Owen, you can actually reference it in here. Then it will use this, and down there you have a test AI completion, and there we go. It works, okay? So I see Oscar Owen, it runs through this and it gives me as the output Oscar. So now let's see if this works. There's nothing else to do, no save button, no nothing. It's already in there. Now we press AI and let's see if the magic happens. Boom, now filling in all the things that we have there. And very interesting, there's for example Dr. K, and so you see it recognizes actually first name. It's not looking at the first word on front, something that you would do, for example, in a Google Sheet or Excel sheet. You could make formulas to extract the first words. No, it's actually recognizing that this is a title and this is in the first name, K. That's really amazing. So I hope this was useful, this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want to see more of Tana videos, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys up next time.